Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.